Looking for an easy and fun way to earn real prize money? Look no further. In this video, I'll be introducing you to a fantastic free earning app that will change the way you think about making money online. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to exciting opportunities to win big. Join the thousands of satisfied users who have already cashed in on this amazing app. Don't miss out on your chance to turn your spare time into cold hard cash. Watch now and start earning real prize money today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Ready to earn real prize money effortlessly? TallyUp, a free earning app that allows you to earn real money just by using your smartphone. Say goodbye to wasted time on mindless scrolling and hello to a rewarding way to spend your time. TallyUp is a new kind of game show that is 100% free to play, enabling anyone to compete in fun, simple, and very fair mini games and win real prize money. Start by receiving a small amount of free, real money, which is paid for by the game show sponsors. Then get matched against another player who also has some real money from sponsors and compete in one of the simple 1-minute mini games to determine who wins the pot and continues doubling their money. Mini games can be learned, played, and won by anyone in just minutes. With Power Play, prize money accrues very quickly. If you start with even 1 penny, it can double each time you win a game, turning into more than $10 in just 10 wins, $10,000 in just 20 wins, and over $10 million in 30 wins. Anytime you lose, daily rewards will provide some more free money to start over. When you play, you are competing against other players and not against TallyUp. The app simply gives money to all players and lets them compete against one another. Anytime you lose, it means another player has won. Unlike other competitive games, in TallyUp there is no way to spend or risk your own money, and there is no need or ability to spend money to win. Anyone can play, and if you stick with it and practice, you might just win a significant amount of free money in the game show for everyone. Every player has a fair and equal chance at winning real cash prizes, and it is a matter of testing your minigame skills, outwitting your opponents, and a bit of luck. Games have been designed to ensure that players are unable to cheat or get any unfair advantage. TallyUp is designed to ensure anyone and everyone has a fair shot of winning. Play and match against other players for a thrilling live game experience, or challenge your friends or rivals into a matchup and play at your own pace. Practice and hone your minigame skills in arcade mode, where you can face off with other players and build up your minigame might. Once you reach a balance of $10 or more, you may cash out winnings via PayPal. Download TallyUp app now and unlock a world of possibilities. Start earning real prize money today. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyed it, we would greatly appreciate your support. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others who may benefit from it as well. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos like this one.